Hello, welcome back to my channel. Let's make this really quick. Some persons have reached out to me that when they want to log into their JAMB portal, they show them incorrect password or email address. Now that is a common problem and it's easy to resolve. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to resolve that problem, because if you don't resolve that problem, it means you cannot check into your portal. And just so you know, JAMB Caps has been activated. JAMB Caps is a system where you can use to monitor your admission, right? So JAMB Caps have been activated, so you can now log into your JAMB Caps. If you want to do any adjustment, if you want to do your uploading of WAEC results have actually started. If you want to do change of institution, change of course, and the rest, it is actually on your JAMB portal that you can do make all those changes. But there are payments attached, right? Now, if you want to log into your JAMB portal, how do you do that? How do you log into your JAMB portal? First of all, just type on Google or Chrome or any of your browser, just type JAMB e-facility. JAMB e-facility. Once you type JAMB e-facility, you will just see it there. Click on the link. Click on the first link you're seeing there. Or if you type JAMB Caps login, JAMB Caps CAPS login, it will still give you that same link, that same e-facility portal login link. When you click on the link, what will happen is you will now see where to put your email address and your password. Kindly put in your registered email address. That is the email address you use in registering for JAMB. That is the email address you're putting there, because if you put any other email address, it won't work. So put in the email address you use in registering for JAMB there. Then you put your password. But most times if you put your email password there, you will see they will say incorrect password or email address. What you just do, just check down, you will see forgot password or forget password. How do they put it? Is it forgotten password or forget password? Just click on that forget password down there. When you click on the forget password, the next thing that will show up, they will ask you to put your email address again. So once you click on that forget password, they will ask you to put your email address. Put that your registered email address and click on submit. Once you submit, they will send your new password to your email. So just go back to your email address and copy out the new password. That's the password you will now be using to check your email address, to check your portal. So you just come back to the portal and put in the email address, and this new password you'll give it. New password will start with CAND, that is candidate. So short form of candidate, CAND, then they'll put maybe AA, something like that. That's how the new password will look like. So you just copy it somewhere or save it somewhere, because that's the password you'll be using subsequently to register to log into your portal. Because by the time admission starts, it is that same password you'll be using to check in to check if you've been admitted or not. I hope that was helpful. Anyways, before you go, are you preparing for Post-UTME at all? If your school is writing Post-UTME, my Post-UTME class is starting this Monday. So whenever you're watching this video, just chat me up. My number is on your screen. Register for my Post-UTME class. It's very affordable, and you must understand my teaching. For those of you that have been following me up for some time, you must understand my teaching. I used to tell people that the easiest way to know if you need spiritual checkup, spiritual counseling, is if I teach you and you don't understand. Just know it's a spiritual problem, no longer physical, because you must understand. All right, so you can register for my Post-UTME class, and once you register, no matter your university, so long as you are writing Post-UTME. Now the benefit is, once you register, I will be sending you your Post-UTME past question, your school Post-UTME past question, about 10 years of past questions for your school. I'll be sending you free of charge once you register for my Post-UTME class. So my number is on the screen. Take action. Some persons, they just relax. They just relax after JAMB. They've scored high, so they just relax. This is the best time to start acting, because if you get relaxed, Oga, Madam, Post-UTME is the main thing universities use. They value their Post-UTME more than JAMB. That's why you can see somebody scoring 300 and not getting admission, while somebody scoring 240 getting admission into their choice course. It's Post-UTME that really matter in this game. take action. All right. My number is on the screen. Just chat me up on WhatsApp. Let me know. And you'll be added to the group when you make payments. My name is Excellent Simplified. See you in my next video. See you in class. Bye.